Hello everyone. We talked about adjectives many times. We said that we have adjectives that compare. So what do we mean by adjectives that compare? Now look to this word. Here I have this word, taller, taller. In this word we have a peace word and at the end of it we have er. So this word is an adjective and it ends with er. It ends with er. Okay? So the adjective or when we add er to the adjective, we compare two persons, places, or things. So here I have a boy and a girl and I'm comparing between these boy and girl. Okay? So the sentence here, the boy is taller, taller. So I have the peace word tall and the ending er. Peace word tall and the ending er. So this er to compare two persons, places, or things. The boy is taller than the girl. And we add est to an adjective to compare three or more persons, places, or things. So if I have more than two, I will add est. I will add est to the peace word. So look here, we have big. Big is a base word, it's an adjective. We add er and we double dg. Okay, so bigger, okay, and we have biggest, okay, so big, bigger, biggest, big, bigger, biggest, er to compare between two, est to compare three or more, okay, er to compare between two, est to compare three or more, and this word is a base word, okay. And here we have this sentence, Tom is stronger than Peter, but Bob is the strongest. So look to these words, stronger and the strongest. In this word we have the ending er. So here we are comparing between Tom and Peter. So we have er and then. Stronger than. But Bob is the strongest. So here we have the, don't forget to add the before the word, and est. We add est to the word. We add est to the adjective. Okay? So the strongest. We have the base word with est. Here we are comparing between the three, Tom, Peter, and Bob. So Tom is strong, but Peter is stronger than Tom. But who's the strongest one? Bob. So Bob is the strongest one. So we add er then to compare between two. We add the and est to compare between the three or more. Here we have this exercise. Write the two missing words. We have narrow, narrower. So don't forget, here we are comparing between two. Narrowest, here we are comparing between three. So this one is narrow, narrower, narrowest. Now large, so here I will write what? Larger. So we add the word that has what? er. And here the word large ends with r, with e. So there's no need to add another e to it. Okay, just add r. Largest. Okay, large, larger, largest. Here we have this word softer. So the base word is soft. Softer, softest. Softer, softest. Don't forget er to compare between two things, est to compare between three things. In your book, reading book, we have a page 186. I want you to open on it and we will read this page. In this page 186, in your book, reading book, we have comparative endings, E-R-E-S-T, E-R-E-S-T. And here I have these words. Look to these words. I have the base word and we add to it ER or EST. Look to this word. Big, big. Now I want to add EST, EST. At first we will double the G. We will double the G, okay? Biggest, biggest. Here we have this word, it's the base word, tall, tall, and we add est, tallest, tallest. Now we have hot, hot, it's the base word, we double the T, then we add er, er. Fast, fast, it's the base word, we add er to it. Hard, hard, it's the base word, we add est to it. So some words we double the last letter. Why? Because it has consonant, vowel, consonant. So if we have consonant, vowel, consonant, we add the last letter. We add the last letter. Don't forget CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant, we add what? The last letter. We add the last letter. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? Here we have these sentences. We will read these sentences. The first one, he ate. He ate the biggest. Biggest. So here the word biggest, we add est and we double what? The G. He ate the biggest plum from the tallest tree. Tallest, tallest. Okay, so biggest and tallest end with est. Is summer hotter than winter? So in this word we double the T and add er. We think faster, faster. Okay, here we add er. When we work at the hardest, hardest. Okay, here we add just est, task. So don't forget er if we compare between two things, est if we compare three or more. Three or more. We double the last letter if we have consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. We add the first letter, CVC. Thank you for watching. Please try to read these sentences and these words.